How's it going everyone? Sean from Plasticstarwars, and I'm back with yet another video on the Haslab Razor Crest mod. Now previously I thought I was done with this because I didn't want to risk any further damage to the toy by lighting the nav lights, but I've since found a way to do it, so I thought I'd share one last video to show the process. Now before we get there, I would also like to point out that I've made the front nav lights brighter by replacing the fiber optics with LEDs. Now the installation of this is pretty straightforward. I just sandwiched the two LED bulbs between the two plastic panels and wired it up to the power source that's within the cockpit. Now for the engine nav lights, I relied on Tamiya's clear soft plastic beams. Now these beams are unique because they can channel light much like fiber optics, so they are perfect for this application. Now this series of pictures will show you how I went about the process of installing these beams. Now even though I did not fully disassemble the engines, I was able to pry open a gap to allow these beams to come through. Now of course I had to remove some plastic so the beams will not be pinched when I close the engine back. And once the beams are in place, I just nipped off the excess and I cut a small piece of straw and used that to serve as like a socket for the lights. Then I sealed everything with white PVA glue. Now in order for the nav lights to work, I simply took some spare LEDs from the fairy lights in the engines and make sure that I get them into the socket as I close the nozzle back. And that's pretty much it. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I feel that it's really complete now. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys have found this useful, and I wish you guys all the best with your mods. Have fun and take care.